The Amazon is burning.
Consumed by fire.
Fires have been raging.
Thousands of fires are blazing. More and more trees are cut down.
Deforestation of the Amazon rainforest hit its highest rate in a decade.
Hello again, Byron from Wildland Foods, all the way from the Peruvian jungle near Puerto Maldonado in the south of Peru. As you can see, right now I'm in the wildfire spot. Obviously the flames are out, but what we can see is the devastation that these flames have caused. As you can see behind, there's just jungle area, and here is the place that has been burned down. And obviously this is done to make space for agriculture and raising some cows and cattle. Let's get the hell out of here before somebody sees me and shoots me.